And stop. I just broke the test plug. I just cracked the test plug in this fitting because it sits just a little bit proud from the rest of the flange of the fitting. And so by tapping it with the hammer with a board, I cracked it loose. I won't find that out until I go to do the test. But I learned a very valuable lesson. Do not use a board and a hammer to try to drive these all the way down. I filled the entire system with water, and I did find a couple of leaks. Some of those were the toilet hubs that I cracked. Another one was a toilet hub on the second floor that I still don't understand why it leaked. But this is my process. I opened up one of the plugs. I put a pipe kind of deflecting the water into this bucket, and every time the bucket fills with about 4 gallons of water, there's a sump pump in there. I plug it into the extension cord, I pump the water out, and it ends up going outside. So I had to do this for a while. In the end, I ended up doing this twice, I believe.
I had the valves wrong on the washer box. That was the washer box, so it just shot water out of the backside of where the washer is. So let's try that again. That's better. No leaks, I guess. It's hard to tell because I can hear air bubbles in the line. So I can't tell the difference between like an air bubble and a leak, but so that's the laundry circuit. I think this is the guest bath. Okay, yeah, that's the long run. All right, well that's not good. I guess that's where our water's going. Looks like the valve body is in the open position. So I gotta get that turned off. Most of it seems to be going in the garbage can. That's good. All of our valves are open and no leaks. You can tell they're open when the arrow is pointing through the pipe. So I have no leaks here, I have no leaks here, I have no leaks in the rest of the house. I did obviously have to figure out how to close the shower valves. They were technically like opposite what they would need to be closed. So I just had to use my fingers, twist those over. They were about 180 degrees out. So we got those, but not before we made a bit of a mess in the hallway, but it's all done. Got all of our tie-ins, got all of our lines tested, and no leaks other than the fact that I filled up the bathtub from the valves. So that looks great. It's time to move on to doing our shower pre-pan.